Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Welcome to the live stream. It is today, what's today? Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. How's everybody doing this morning? Let's see who's in here this morning. We got Benjamin Molina, good morning. Richie, good morning. Rich Mitchell, good morning to you. Miguel Jimenez. How you guys doing? My Spanish is not all that good, so good morning to you. Sorry, Benjamin. All right. Let's just run a couple of test orders here real quick. See if I've got any serious lag issues. I know yesterday I was having a little bit of an issue. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's... Let's see if this will probably get worse when the market opens for me. So we'll see what happens. Order submitted. Yeah, I think this is kind of lagging a little bit. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Order canceled. Bear with me for just 1 second, guys. Just really want to make sure that this is... Canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Well, we'll see what happens once the market opens. Anyhow, all right, let's get to the charts, shall we? All right. What are we looking at? All right, so if we look at the overnight, the market made a high here, and we load right here in the morning, right at around 9 a.m. So we are in this range between 379 and 631. If we pull up the 15 minute, we are kind of stuck in between this range here. For the last hour, I've been trying to break out of here. So we'll see what happens. Again, remember, this is about a 5-minute strategy that I take right at the opening of the 935 candle on a 5-minute chart. If I get a signal to go long, then I take it. It's a long-only strategy. This is not considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me. Do what I do. I'm just here to kind of share my experience with you guys. So just know the risk and know what you're doing before you do it. Looks like the Apex sale was extended, the 80% off sale. So they extended it yet again. Let's see, what did they extend it till? I don't even know what they extended it till. What did they extend it to? Oh, another 8 days. All right. So sometime next week. Yeah, March 13th. Thanks, Benjamin. Yeah, so there's a link in the description below. And you can use my coupon code LARGE for the greatest discount that they offer. If you want, here I'll put it in the chat for those of you who are interested. There it is, right there. So let's see. We are about, where are we? A minute and a half from the market open. And what I'd like to see is price to start heading up towards this 489 level. Good morning, Joe. How are you? Tanonian, good morning to you. And yes, it ends on the 13th at midnight. That is correct. Thanks, guys, for chiming in the chat. Appreciate it. For those of you who are in the Discord, can you tell me, is the volume working in there this morning? It should. I tested it earlier. It should be working. Yes, Richie, never mind. I see it. I see the message that you did up earlier. So thanks for that. Appreciate it. And we are 15 seconds away from the market open. Yeah, Tenonian, I'm still working on getting all the details out for the Discord. Hopefully by mid to end of next week we'll get it going. All right, so market opened. Jeremy, good morning to you too. Yes, we'll get all that up. Like I said, give me a few more days. See if I can get it done by this week. Then maybe first of next week we'll get everything up and running. So the market's trying to go down to last night's or the overnight low, the pre-market low, we should call it, I guess. We do want the market to make a push up for us to get a signal here today. You're welcome, Jeremy. Settlement. For those of you who are trading Apex and have the Apex charts up, yep, we are around settlement. Settlement is at 33.95 ish, give or take. Hopefully we can break away from settlement with that price. Yeah, so we're looking for a push up. We're looking for price to get us up to the 489 range. As you can see, we tried to poke out earlier to take out this, get out of this range, and we got back in it. And usually we know that if price tries to, or it fails out of breaking one side of a range, it will go and try to take out the other side. So let's see what happens. We've got another three minutes or so before the 9:35 candle opens. Let's take a look and see what the smaller time frame is telling us. Yeah, it looks like it's going to try to probably come down, and if it fails here and goes back up, we should be good. But if it comes back down to test it, it may try to take this out right here. See how it moves down, retraces a little bit, comes back and tries to test it again. If it fails, then, and if it doesn't break below here and it fails and goes back up, we should be good, and this should go higher. But we'll see what happens. And that's on the 2-minute chart. The 1-minute chart kind of showing the same kind of a thing. We have this move down, right? We tried to break out of this range, tried to tap the low, and then it retraced a little bit. Now it's trying to do that again to stay out of this range and test the low, and then we'll see if the test holds or if it fails and continues to go lower. Obviously, we want this thing to fail and go back up. Otherwise, we are not going to be able to get a trade.
Connection lost.
And let's see. right, so we've got another minute or so. Just about a minute. Try one more.
Order submitted.
Okay, we've got about 18 seconds, and as it sits right now, it doesn't look like we're going to get a setup. Actually, we might. If it closes above 417, then we're going to get in. Otherwise, we're not. If it closes below 417, we will not get a setup. We did not get a setup this morning. Yeah, the market just didn't want to give it to us today. So, yeah, our target price was, I'd call it 419. So we needed to close above 419 before the 935 candle opened, and it did not. So we got nothing today. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me today. It was short as always. And unfortunately, we did not get a setup, but we will try this again tomorrow. For those of you guys in the Discord, I'll see you guys there. And everybody else, thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you again tomorrow. See ya.